Looking for the best floor jack for trucks? Here I have made the list of the top 5 best floor jack for trucks in the market that are worth buying. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. For getting heavy-duty vehicles up off the ground, Big Red's Torin pneumatic air hydraulic bottle jack has what it takes to get the job done. This bottle jack has an air-powered pump that operates with compressed air, making lifting heavy vehicles a breeze. It also has a hydraulic backup to pump it up when a compressor isn't available. This bottle jack features a wide, rugged base for stability and steel construction. The air pump has an operational range between 100 and 175 c, and users can control the height with the thumb-activated trigger. The lifting range is between 10.5 inches and just over 20 inches, while the weight capacity is up to 20 tons, making it a solid choice for lifting heavy trucks and SUVs. Number 4. HeavyDuty electric car jack. It has just about anything an SUV or truck driving motorist on the side of the road could need in a pinch. It features an electric jack, an impact wrench for loosening and tightening lug nuts, a flashlight, an air compressor, and some emergency tools. Both the electric jack and the air compressor run on the vehicle's 12-volt power. The electric jack has 5 tons of lifting capacity and a lifting range between just over 6 inches and just under 18 inches. While this jack does have heavy-duty lifting capabilities, the entire kit weighs just over 20 pounds. The jack also fits nicely in the small toolkit with the other tools, allowing users to store them underneath their truck seats or in the trunk of their SUV. Number 3. Arkin's 3-ton quick-rise aluminum floor jack is a lightweight upgrade worth checking out. This jack features aircraft-grade aluminum construction that weighs just 56 pounds. It also has a lifting range between 3.75 inches and 18 inches, giving this jack enough lift for most SUVs and light-duty trucks. There's also a counterweight pole that drops in place while jacking, preventing this jack from lowering on its own. This floor jack features dual pump pistons that make lifting the vehicle faster and easier. The Arkin also has a long reinforced handle with a padded section for avoiding vehicle damage. This jack has a rubber saddle pad for maintaining a sure grip on the jacking point, and it has a wide footprint for stability under load. Number 2. Home mechanics on a budget are always looking for versatile tools that will save them money. That's just what the Powerbuilt All-in-One does. This bottle jack and jack stand combination will lift a 6,000-pound vehicle while also converting to a jack stand to safely hold it in place. The Powerbuilt All-in-One has a lifting range between 11 inches and 21 inches, giving it plenty of range for almost any truck or SUV at factory height. It has a specially designed lift arm with multiple locking points for quick lifting and securing the jack in place. And at just 22 pounds, it's light enough to place in a trunk or a truck bed toolbox for roadside repairs. Number 1. Anyone looking for a quality floor jack for their truck or SUV should give the Black Hawk Fast Lift Service Jack some consideration. The jack features heavy-duty steel construction and a large swiveling saddle, making it a good choice for lifting overbuilt components. This jack also has 2 swiveling wheels for easy steering and a long handle with a rubber grip to make pulling it around a shop less of a labor. The Fast Lift Service Jack has an operation range of 5.5 inches to 22 inches, giving it enough lift for trucks and SUVs. The large 4-inch saddle swivels, which can be a benefit when finding the perfect position from which to lift. It also has a fast lift feature, which allows the jack to reach the jacking point with just a few pumps, speeding up the lifting process. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe so you don't miss anything. We'll see you next time.